problem. For example, how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? If the sum is given like this, how can you calculate? How many thousands are in 1 lakh? First of all, you have to write that 1 lakh. How can you write that 1 lakh? All of you have to calculate the digits from ones, okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Right? Now, once again we check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Then you write the 1000. 1000. How can you write that 1000? This is 1000. Now what you have to do? How many is given? What you have to do? How many is given. What you have to do? You have to divide that by one number by other. So I am going to divide this lakh by 1000. For 3 zeros, the 3 zeros will be get cancelled. And simply, what is the number in the numerator? 100 is there. So this is the answer. How to write? This 100 is nothing but how many thousands? 100 thousands. In 1 lakh, therefore, in 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? 100,000. This is the answer. In 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. If the problems are given like this, what you have to do? You have to write what is the number given in lakh or crore. You have to write the number and then how to convert that into thousand or from crore to lakh or lakh to thousands. You have to divide like this and you have to find it. Alright? Next, we are going to find the expansion of. How to expand that number. How to expand that number. Read and expand. Read and expand the number. Given numbers. Read and expand the given numbers. If the problem is given like this, first one, 5,000. How can you write it in the expand form and how to read this? First of all, expand it. How to expand? Expanded form is equal to. How to take that? Expanded form. Ones, tens, 100. All are in. All the places are, these values are 0. Then 1,000 places 5. So I have to split this 5 as 5 into 1,000. How to write this? 5 into 1,000. This is the expanded form. And how to read this? We have to read as 50,000. 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. 50,000 is given, and you have to expand that form as 5 into 10,000. 10 is can read this by 50,000. Can read as 50,000. Then you take the second one. How can you expand this? Expanded form. Can expand this? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, a lakh. Okay? So I have to write it from lakh. 6 into lakh. How can I write lakh? Ones, tens, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh. 100,000, 10,000, then lakh. Then plus. What is the 10,000 plus? 7. 7 into ones, tens, 1,000, sorry, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Alright? Plus, what is the number given in the 1,000 place? 6. 6 into, write 1,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Then plus 0 into, what is the 0 place? 100. You just write 100 plus 9 into 10 plus, that is in a 10th place, 7 into 1. Then how can we read this? We can read as 6 into lakh, 6 lakhs. 6 into lakh is 6 lakhs. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. 70,000. Then 6 into 1,000, 6,000, 70,000. And 7 into 6 into 1,000, 6,000. The 70 plus 6, 76. So we have to write 76,000. You have to take the thousands together. And lakhs, only 1 lakh is here. So I have to take the lakh separately. Then you have to take the ones places separately. That means 100, tens, ones separately. Now you multiply here 100 and 100, place is 0. So here 90, 10 nines are 90, 90 into 7, 97. So 6 lakhs 76,000 and 97. And 97. This is the way you have to read. This is the expanded form, and this is the how to read this. Then I'll give you some more problems based on this expand. Try this. Try this. Read and expand the following. Read and expand the following. The first one. The second one. one. That's all. Then next one, I'll do some problems based on that place value of the given digits which is underlined. The digits which is underlined, you have to find the place value of the particular number, right? For this also you have to use the, I already told you to remember the place value chart. All of you remember the place value chart and by heart that how to do that, how to write that period column and the place value column. Then only you can able to do this. Okay. Now here we are going to find the place value only for the particular number which is underlined here. For example, write down the numerals and place value of 5 in the numbers. Then represented by the following number name. Following number name. First of all, you have to write down the numeral. Then you have to find the place value. Place value எதுக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா 5 எங்க இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பருக்கு you have to find the place value. Then you have to represent the number name. Right? Okay. Number name is given in the problem itself. The first one. 47 lakhs. 47 lakhs. The previous problem, the numeral is given for you and you have to find the place value. But here, the number name is given. Using this number name, you have to write the numerals and you have to find the place value for the particular number which is underlined. Here what is given? Particular number is 5. The place value of the 5 you have to write. Okay? Now write the number name first. 47 lakhs 38,500 61 561. This is the number name given here. Now how to calculate this? 47 lakh 38,561. First of all, you split this into the periods. Okay, lakh is in one period and 1,000 in second period, and this 61 as a third period. Now here how can we split? 47 lakhs means 4 is in the 10 lakh, 7 is in the lakh place, right? 38,000 means 3 is in the 10,000 place and 8 is in the thousands place. Then 561 means 5 is in the 100th place and 6 is in the 10th place and 1 is in the 1st place, right? Can you able to write it now? Now you take the first column. First இது எடுத்துடலாம். இங்கே எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? 61. So I can write 1, 6 and 5. 561. Then what is the thousands place is given? 8 in the thousands place and 3 in the 10,000 place. That is 38. So I am going to write 38 in the thousands place. Right? Then before the 1000, what is that? Lakh. What is lakh given lakh place? In lakh 7 is given. In 10 lakh 4 is given. Then only you can say that 47 lakhs. Right? So I have to write that 47 here. Now check that number whether the numeral is correct. Check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Check it. 47 lakhs, 38,560. Okay? Can you able to follow, children? Okay. Now what are given? Here, first of all you have to write the numerals. That is, this is the numeral form. Numeral form. From the numeral form. Next one, what is the next thing? You have to find the place value of 5. Where is 5 given? You just underline the number. 5 is here. Place value of 5. Place value of 5. What is the place value of 5 here? The place value of 5 is, see that ones, tens, 100. 5 is in the 100th place. So the place value of 5 is 5 into 100. That is 500. 5 into 100 is, the place value of 5 is 100th place. So 500. Right? Like that you have to do that. Next problem. And write another problem. Here also you have to do the same thing. Write the numerals first. Then you have to find the place value for the particular number 5. Why we have taken that 5 here? Because the problem itself is given as, you have to find that place value only for 5. So we are going to write the place value of 5. The second one, 9 crore 82 lakh 9 crore 82 lakhs 50,000 241 241. What you have to do? Here also you have to follow the same procedure what we done in the previous sum. See that? First of all, you have to split the periods here. What are the periods here? 9 crore. Put one bar here. Then 82 lakhs. Put another bar here. Then 50,000, the third column. Then the ones place is 241.